Hey, I'm Evan. I co-own HG Coffee with my wife, Danny. We're located on Main Street in Apache Junction, Arizona. And we operate out of the lobby of Superstition Ranch Farmers Market. I found Jay with the cooling and plumbing company through Google Maps. We were looking for someone to help us install our coffee roaster. Jay offered the exact technical skills that we required in order to get the job done. Jay helped us with our venting for our exhaust as well as our plumbing for our gas piping. With his help, we were able to get our roaster up and running, and Jay and his team allowed us to expand our roasting operation, bring it up by twice the scale. He also allowed us to start distributing beans in our local area more easily. The job took no longer than a couple days. He was able to get his team out here quickly and timely. They were able to finish the job within a day, which was highly impressive. His team is friendly, on time, and very clean. If you have any plumbing, gas, or HVAC work that needs to be done, look no further than Jay. His team will knock it out, and they'll do it the way you expect a professional to do it.